How to make German chocolate cookies in 11 easy steps. Ingredients required: 130 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 115 grams unsalted butter at room temperature, 100 grams sugar, 110 grams dark brown sugar, 1 large egg, at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 130 grams sweetened coconut flakes, lightly toasted, 170 grams bittersweet chocolate, chopped, 120 grams pecans, chopped and toasted. Step 1. Toast coconut, chop and toast pecans, and chop chocolate. Cool coconut and pecans. Step 2. Combine flour, cocoa, baking soda and salt. Mix. Step 3. Combine butter and sugars. Beat for 2 minutes. Step 4. Add egg and vanilla to butter mixture and beat for another minute. Step 5. Add flour mixture to butter and slowly mix until combined. Step 6. Add coconut, pecans and chocolate. Mix till combined. Step 7. Form 2 logs over parchment paper, roll, and wrap in plastic. Step 8. Refrigerate for 36 hours for better chocolate taste. Or skip this step if necessary. Step 9. Preheat oven to 350 F. Line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. Step 10. Slice logs in 1/4 inch medallions. If they break, reconstitute them with the palm of the hands. Place them an inch apart. Slightly flatten them. Step 11. Bake for 10 minutes. Leave on sheets for a couple of minutes. Then cool on wire rack. Cookies will freeze well once cooled completely.